Good morning or good afternoon to everyone. I am Sarah Suma of class 7. Why is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is celebrated as Children's Day? I want to share my thoughts on this with all of you. Children are the gift from God and most valuable resource. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November every year in India. This day is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was passed away in 1964. After that, the Indian Parliament to celebrate his birthday on 14 November as Children's Day. He was born in Allahabad, India in the year 1889. He served as the Prime Minister of India for more than 16 years. Children lovingly called him as Chacha Nehru. He believed that the children of today are the future of tomorrow. He was special bond with children. He advocated children to have compulsory education and built many schools. Once Nehru said, "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way they bring them up will determine the future of the country." His father's name was Motilal Nehru, his mother's name was Swarup Rani, and he married to Kamla Kaur. His daughter was Indira Priyadarshini, who was the first woman Prime Minister of India. He considered the children are real strength of the nation. Pandit Nehru described his childhood as sheltered and uneventful one. He grew up in wealthy atmosphere. He also called as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru due to Kashmiri Pandit community roots. He said children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully, lovingly nurtured as they are the future of the nation and citizens of tomorrow. Little birds trying to bloom and make the India of tomorrow. He always loved childhood and was supporter of proper childhood without any national, social, personal, family and financial responsibility. He also responsible for the future of the nation and country's development. Childhood is the best phase in life, which should be healthy and full of happiness with all, so that they are ready to lead their nation ahead. If the children are mentally and physically ill, they will not contribute their best to their nation. Cultural programs and activities are organized in school to celebrate this day with great enthusiasm. National, inspirational, encouraging songs are sung. Stage shows, dances, short plays, etc. are organized by the children in memory of this great Indian leader because of his love for children. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru always advised children to be patriots throughout their lives. He always inspired children to do adventure and sacrifice for their motherland. To sum it up, I extend my warmest greetings and wishes you a happy Children's Day. Thank you.